8948 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Traffic will cross downfield.
Runway 22 right, Delta 8948.
Break up 622 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9, traffic holding position.
Cross 22 right at Echo, ground point 9 over here, 5626.
8948, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Delta 8948.
That was 4442 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait. That was 4442.
Coast Guard 768, Mike Romeo, squawk 5, correction 5171, say altitude and request. Coast Guard 768, correction 768, Mike Romeo, I'm sorry, I stepped on you. Say altitude and request again.
Okay, 1441, exit Echo, hold short, my 22 right.
Echo short 22 right, American Airport. Coast Guard 8, Mike Romeo. Clear to enter Boston Bravo, space maintain VFR out of below 1000. Boston Holland Center 29030. Report 10 miles west of Boston. That was 4442 runway, 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff. Go up 4442.
Delta 8948, contact departure.
Departure, good day, Delta 8948.
So 59 heavy on final, T2 left.
For the 59 Heavy Boston Tower, phone is Twin Cessna 3 mile final, wind 24014, gust 20, runway 22 left, good to land.
Good land, T2 left, Delta 59 heavy. Okay, 4726 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up to wait, traffic will cross downfield.
22 right, line up away, procured 4726.
American 1441, Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9er.
Cross 22 right, Echo, point 9 on those, American 1441.
Skywest 4442, contact departure.
Departure, Skywest 4442. That's early 50 times, okay.
Okay, 4726, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, procured 4726.
Okay, 687 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up point.
Line up and wait, 22 right, procured 5687.
November 8 Mike Romeo, say again the request. I understand you want to go outbound Piker, but what's the inbound request?
With the ILS 22 left.
2765 Boston Tower, customer return 78672 mile final, wind 25014, gust 20, runway 22 left, good to land.
2765, third line 22 left.
Okay, wing 227, left turn on Charlie Hill, short runway 22 right behind the beach jet.
Behind the beach jet, left on Charlie Hill, short 22 right, clear wing to
Care 111, verify hold short, my 22 right. Hold short 22 right, Care 111, Monster Tower, 128.8.
Yeah, 1479, second in, ILS 22 left.
Yeah, the 1479 Boston Tower, 126014, gust 20, 22 left, clear to land.
Clear line 22 left, yeah, 1479.
Break air 5687, contact departure.
Departure, break air 5687.
Boy 4243 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up point, traffic will cross downfield.
22 right, line void on board 4243.
Sierra 111 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er.
Cross runway 22 right, Foxtrot, over to Nevada, what's that?
Okay, Mike Romeo, taxiway Bravo Northwest Lima, clear to land, remain west of runway 22 right at all times.
Boston Tower, 28012, gust 22, runway 22 left, clear line.
22 left, clear to land, American 1776.
Envoy 4243, contact departure.
Departure today, Envoy 4243.
ATC 3, if you could just increase speed 20 knots. Caution more turbulence, you're following the Embraer 170 ahead, wind 29012, gust 22, runway 22 left, clear line.
We're unable on the airspeed. We've got our gear down, and our 170 is probably our best.
Alright, hold that as long as you can, that'll be perfect then.
Alright, we'll hold 170 all the way in, particular 3.
American 1441 ILS 6 left.
American 1441 Boston Tower, Embraer short final, wind 27014, gust 20, runway 22 left, clear line.
59 heavy cross runway 22 right at Foxtrot, contact ground point 9.
Okay, clear cross 22 right here on Foxtrot, and then ground point 9, Delta 59.
1776, Echo, hold short runway 22 right.
Echo hold short 22 right, American 1776.
Frequency change approved.
AK63, can you accept runway 22 right?
Yes, sir. We can accept 22 right. DH3.
Approach change to runway 22 right, runway 22, actually switch tower 12818.
22 right and 12818, TK63. Hey, Morning Tower, TK63 is inbound 22 right, TK63.
BTK 663, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, clear to land, caution wake turbulence, Boeing 737, departing the parallel.
22 right, clear land, TK63, and we got, say, light to moderate chop on inbound.
Tower, good evening, we get 5727 on the LS to
Figure 5727 Boston Tower, wind at 24015, gust 22, runway 22 left, clear line.
22 left, clear land, we get 5727.
1109, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic will cross on field.
Runway 22 right, JetBlue 1109.
We're 3681, move up the whole short 22 right, Mountain Tower 12818.
288, we'll move up, Skyline 3681.
Blue 1109, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1109.
JetBlue 731, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, secure at JetBlue 70. JetBlue 632, ILS 22.
Delta 855, Echo, hold short runway 22 right.
Echo short 22 right, Delta 855.
Blue 731, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, secure at JetBlue 70.
Asterisk 77 uniform, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic will cross downfield. JetBlue 1109, contact departure.
Switch departure, JetBlue 1109 today.
Aircraft 86, Princeton Charlie, Nocturnal, altimeter 2931, landing runway 27 and runway 22 left.
Aircraft information, Charles current, now landing runway 2722 left at Glasgow, Belton, altimeter 2931.
JetBlue 731, contact departure.
Departure ship 731, good day.
District 77 uniform, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Take up 22 right now, take 7.
JetBlue 1855, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 1855.
Delta 2515 Boston Tower, cross runway 15 left at November.
Cross 15 left, November, Delta 2515.
JetBlue 1855, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, JetBlue 1855.
United 414 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, and line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 22 right, United 414.
Okay, 42, thank you. Monitor tower 128.8.
Tower 28, airport.
Runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, United 414.
Blue 8553 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Runway 22 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 8553.
JetBlue 1855, contact departure.
1855, good day. 10, JetBlue 632.
602, when able, you'll taxi via Echo, Mike, Foxtrot, hold short of runway 22 right.
Okay, Echo, Mike, Foxtrot, short of 22 right, when able, JetBlue 632.
United 414, contact departure.
Departure, good day, United 414.
Blue 8553, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 22 right, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 8553.
This at 235 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic will cross downfield.
22 right, line up and wait, just at 235.
Tower, JetBlue 207. We need to pull over somewhere to look at something that just popped up. We're approaching November 2.
JetBlue 207 Boston Tower, roger. Blue 8553, contact departure.
8553 going to departure, good day.
Delta 2515 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait, Delta 2515.
Delta 113 heavy.
Delta 113 heavy, ILS 22 left.
Delta 113 heavy, Boston Tower, you have the full length, runway 22 left, clear to land, traffic landing runway 27, will hold short of your runway. 127012, gust of south.
Delta 113 heavy, copy, clear to land, 22 left, copy traffic.
Delta 2515, contact departure.
Contact departure, 2515, see ya. Boston Tower, Delta 1502, book.
Delta 1502, Boston Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land, cross short turbulence, rise heavy, about 330, wind 2713, gas 17.
22 left, clear to land, copy the rest, Delta 1502.
Approach end of November. 180, full short runway 22 right, and advise ready.
Okay, we'll cross the approach end of 22 right. We'll make a 180 turn and then hold short of 22 right for JetBlue 207.
Fox, hold
575 Mike Whiskey Boston Tower, give way to United at Bravo, cross runway 22 right at Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er.
22 right at Foxtrot, giving way to United.
The 363 Boston Tower, will you be ready upon reaching?
Delta 363, yes sir.
Wind 270 at 1 tree, gust 170.
Calling taken.
Delta 113 Heavy is up with you, holding short.
Delta 113 Heavy Boston Tower, verify hold short, only 22 right.
Holding short at 22 right, Delta 113 Heavy.
Wings 3122, runway Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line and wait. Traffic will cross downfield.
This is the right line up on way through 3122.
2 right at Echo, contact ground point 9er.
On ground point 9, we'll cross 22 right, Echo, give way to American Jet, Delta 113 Heavy, take care.
Yeah, 42 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Charlie, contact ground point 9er.
Alright, cross 22 right at Charlie, open ground.
Okay, 33 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Charlie, contact ground point 9er.
Charlie, contact ground.
Delta 363, contact departure.
Delta 363, yep.
Wings 3122, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Direct your takeoff for 3122.
To 632 Boston Towers, cross runway 22 right at Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er.
22 right at Foxtrot, ground on the other side.
Delta 1502 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9er.
Cross 22 right at Echo, ground point 9er, Delta 1502.
Clear wings 3122, contact departure.
Mark, clearing 3122, good day.
Yeah, 1413 Boston Tower, will you be ready upon reaching? Okay, 1413 Boston Tower. Okay, 5858 Boston Tower, are you able to take November 1 back taxi and line up and wait runway 22 right?
We can check that or November 2, Breaker 5858.
Breaker 5858, roger, November 2 back taxi runway 22 right, line up and wait runway 22 right.
Alright, November 2 back taxi on way 22 right, Breaker 5858.
JetBlue 207 Boston Tower, how much longer do you think you'll need?
Yeah, we're still talking to mates, trying to reset something, at least another 5 minutes.
JetBlue 207, roger. line up and wait.
22 right, line up, wait, United 1413. 3's on the ILS for 22 left.
Lima 6103, Boston Star, wind 27013, runway 22 left, clear to land, hold short of runway 27, landing traffic.
22 left, cleared to land, hold short at 27, keep on 6103.
Okay, 1413 runway, 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, United 1413.
Legion 1448, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Traffic landing the converging runway.
Line up and wait, 22 right for Legion 1448.
Okay, 5858, contact departure.
That's Foxtrot 258.
That's 770 Delta Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er, traffic holding position.
2 right, connection point 70 Delta.
Okay, 1413, contact departure.
1430.
Legion 1448, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
2 right, clear for takeoff, Legion 1448.
JetBlue 2417, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
2 right, last away, JetBlue 2417.
Lima 6103, taxi via Papa Echo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Papa Echo, hold short at 22 right, Lima 6103.
Breaker 5736 on Echo, cross runway 22 left, give way to the Ember at Papa, hold short of runway 22 right.
Alright, clear to cross 22 left, give way to the Ember, enter short of 22 right, Breaker 5736.
4 miles southeast of Boston Airport, 800 feet and below, westbound helicopter, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 22 right, JetBlue 2417.
Legion 1448, contact departure.
Collision 1448 with you.
JetBlue 861, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 861.
Blue 861, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 861.
Blue 2417, contact departure.
JetBlue 2417, good day.
JetBlue 861, contact departure.
Going to departure 861.
And Tower JetBlue 207, unfortunately we're going to have to return back to a gate, so whenever it works out we'll have to make our way back to a terminal, and we'll let you know which gate.
JetBlue 207, roger. American 1057, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Traffic will cross downfield. 207, turn left on runway 22 right. Taxi, down runway 22 right, that's Foxtrot.
Okay, we'll make a left here on 22 right, taxi down runway 22 right to Foxtrot for JetBlue 207.
Helicopter 35 Hotel, traffic departing runway 22 right, Airbus 321, southeast bound. Correct, correction, Boston Tower, taxi. Traffic on the runway is taxi only, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9er.
Cross 22 right at Echo, ground point 9er, Breaker 5736.
22 1057, runway 22 right. Clear for takeoff, traffic 3 miles southwest of Boston. Helicopter 600 feet, hazard site, no factor.
Clear for takeoff 10-2 right, American, 1057 will be looking for you.
Helicopter 35 Hotel, maintain visuals. American 1057, contact departure.
Yeah, we get there, American 057.
There's 1667 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line of wait, traffic landing for Virgin runway.
22 right, line of point, JetBlue 1667.
Gulfstream Charlie, Papa Yankee, contact departure.
Departure with AV, Papa Charlie, Papa Yankee.
Station 3 November Whiskey, contact departure.
Departure 3 November Whiskey.
Boston Tower, wind 260 at 15, gust 25, runway 22 left, cleared to land, hold short of runway 27, landing traffic.
Clear land 22 left, hold short 27, JetBlue 2036.
There's 1667 runway 2 direct, clear for takeoff.
Direct.
JetBlue 1421 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line of wait, traffic landing the converging runway.
Wait, direct, JetBlue 27 on in,
JetBlue 1182 Boston Tower, 4 miles Central Embraer, wind 250 at 14, gust 25, runway 27, clear to land.
Alright, 27 JetBlue.
Contact departure. 1421 runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 22 right, JetBlue 1421.
Kaiser 634 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line of wait, traffic landing the converging runway.
runway 22 right, Boston Tower, Porter 2941. Clear the visual runway 22 left approach.
Porter 2941 Boston Tower, Embraer short final, wind 25016, gust 25, runway 22 left, clear to land, hold short of runway 27, landing traffic.
Clear to land, 22 left, hold short of 27, Porter. Correction, 29 Porter.
JetBlue 218, contact Tower 12818.
Tower 28, JetBlue 218.
JetBlue 1421, contact departure.
Come on, JetBlue 1421.
And 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Can take off 22 right, ICER 634.
JetBlue 2269 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait, traffic landing crossing for friction converging runway.
Line up and wait, 22 right, JetBlue 2269.
Central aircraft data information, Delta now current altimeter 2932. JetBlue 2036 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Cross 22 right Charlie, ground point 9, JetBlue 2036.
JetBlue 1182 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9.
Cross 22 right Echo, ground point 9, JetBlue 1182.
JetBlue 2269, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22 right, JetBlue 2269.
Southwest 3410 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line point.
Runway 22 right, Southwest 3410.
So 2766, dash 8 on short final is holding short of your runway. Continue to Kilo, turn right on Kilo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Right on Kilo, short of 22 right, Delta 2766.
Southwest 3410, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 22 right, Southwest 3410.
Air 111 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line point, cautiously curve lines, Boeing 737 departing.
22 right, land away, 111.
JetBlue 2269, contact departure.
Switch to departure, have a good day, sir, JetBlue 2269.
That's flight 13, radar contact 4 miles west of Boston Airport, proceed as requested.
Monitor Tower 128.18.
Under 28.8, quarter 2941.
Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Right, line away, JetBlue.
Southwest 3410, contact departure.
Departure 3410
1055 traffic in the upwind is a right turnout, runway 22 right. Clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1055.
Unit 308 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up, 22 right, Unit 308.
Runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Unit 308.
JetBlue 2231 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line point.
22 right, line up, wait, JetBlue 2231.
Southwest 430, turn right on Kilo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Kilo, short of 22 right, Southwest 430.
Boston Tower, Delta 259 Heavy, coming up on focus for 22 left.
128.8 for Carpet 691.
Southwest 430, monitor Tower 128.8.
288, switch. Boston Tower, Delta 259 Heavy, coming up on focus for 22 left.
Delta 259 Heavy, Boston Tower, traffic 2 mile final, runway 27, wind 24017, gust 23, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, Delta 259 Heavy.
Unit 308, contact departure.
Departure, Unit 308.
430 Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Kilo, contact ground point 9, traffic holding position.
Cross 22 right at Kilo, ground on the other side, Southwest 430.
2231, runway 22 right, good takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 2230.
During 1632 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up, wait, freeway. 1630.
1632, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
22 right, clear for takeoff, freeway. 1630.
American 2247 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, 22 right, American 2247.
Double 2231, contact departure.
Departure, 2231.
2247, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Take off 22 right, American 2247.
It's 1031 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, on up the way. Clearing 1632, contact departure today.
Departure clearing 1632, see you. Flight 27 available for Delta 259.
Delta getting a heavy negative.
It's 1031, fly runway heading, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff. Breaker 4339 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, on its way. Traffic will cross downfield and land on the converging runway.
2 right, line up the way, Breaker 4339.
Breaker 2247, contact departure.
Departure Breaker 2247.
Breaker land 22 left now.
Delta 259 heavy, monitor tower 12818.
28, so.
Delta 259 heavy, Boston Tower, take 8.
Echo 9.
Delta 259 heavy, thank you, cross runway 22 right at Echo, Terminal Bravo, contact ground point honor.
Okay, cross 22 right at Echo, right on Bravo, ground point 9.
19, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 22 right, Jump 719.
Delta 2222 Boston Tower, runway 22 right, on the way.
On the way, 22 right, Delta 2222.
Breaker 4339, contact departure.
Right departure, Breaker 4339.
Triple 719, contact departure today.
Right departure, 719.
Tower Delta 225 heavy with you coming up on Logan for 225.
Delta 225 heavy, Buster, full mile trail Phenom, wind 260 at 10, gust 23, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear land 22 left, Delta 225 heavy.
Takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 22 right, Delta 2222.
Delta 225 heavy, turn right on Mike 1, then left on Mike, hold short of Bravo.
Okay, right on Mike 1, left on Mike, short of Bravo for Delta 225 heavy.
Twenty-two 27, cross runway 22 right at Charlie, contact ground point honor.
Cross 22 right, Charlie, ground point 9, Southwest 2227.
Delta 2222, contact departure today.
Departure, have a good day.